Hagerty Silver Cleaner is an established, traditional silver dip tarnish remover, 7-ounce bottle, designed to remove heavy tarnish quickly from sterling and silver-plated items. The Amazon page lists a one-time price on the product page. Example captured from the page. One-time price $11.60. Subscribe and save option shows around $10.44 at times and highlights the formula's quick action. Works in seconds. Included dipping basket for safe handling. And the recommendation to avoid submersing delicate items for longer than 10 seconds to prevent discoloration. Hagerty notes that this product is made in the USA and is part of a brand with a long history in silver care. If you want the latest live price, check the product page link before publishing. For everyday use, the dipping method is a major convenience. Drop heavily tarnished pieces in the solution for a few seconds. Lift them with the basket, rinse and polish dry. Results are immediate and dramatic on oxidized silver. The formula is versatile, working on sterling, silver plate, coins and family heirlooms, and the included basket keeps small pieces contained so you don't fumble jewelry in the solution. The product page includes explicit usage notes and safety tips. Avoid oversoaking and always rinse immediately. Some delicate pieces, multi-stone jewelry or porous gemstones, may need a different approach. Customer reviews mostly praise how fast and effective the dip is. Buyers who want a quick restore of jewelry or silverware frequently give it high marks. Typical pros: very fast tarnish removal, easy dipping method, includes basket, made in the USA. Typical cons: the chemical dip can be too aggressive for delicate items or some costume jewelry with glued stones. Caution is advised. That makes Hagerty a great, quick fix product for metal items that are solid silver or silver plate, but not the first choice for mixed media or fragile antique jewelry. We share by links in description box.